Peace. Welcome back to the Absolute Boss Collective. In this video, we're going to talk about market sectors. Okay, according to the Global Industry Classification Standard, GICS, the stock market is divided up into 11 sectors. A sector describes a large segment of the economy. Okay, now from those sectors, we have 24 industry groups. The difference between a sector and an industry group refers to a much more specific group of companies or businesses. So we have the 11 sectors, 24 industry groups, 69 industries, and 158 sub-industries. So in the theory of brevity and preserving time, I'm not going to go into all of that in this video. We're just going to discuss the 11 sectors, okay? Why is this important? This is important because if there's a particular company you want to invest in or trade, you have a way of comparing it with other companies that are in a similar sector, okay? And then you can also look at both of those companies. Let's say you're comparing two companies. You can look at how those companies are performing in relation to the sector itself, okay? You can also look and see which is the hottest sector and then drill down from the hottest sector to the hottest industry to the hottest stock that's in that industry, and then choose to trade or invest in it, okay? So let's go over the sectors. Number one, we have energy. Energy is dealing with oil and natural gas. That's oil and gas exploration and production companies. The energy sector also includes related businesses that provide the equipment and materials and services for those companies. So you have two big companies. You have ExxonMobil, ticker symbol XOM, and Chevron, ticker symbol CVX. Next, we have materials. These are companies that provide various goods for use in manufacturing and other applications. Think about chemicals, construction materials, containers, packaging, mining. Some of the big companies in there are Sherwin-Williams, ticker symbol SHW, and DuPont, ticker symbol DD. Then we have industrials. This is a wide range of different businesses that use heavy equipment, such as airplanes, railroads, and logistic companies. So two of them are Boeing, BA, and I forget the name of the other one, but the ticker symbol is UNP. Then we have utilities. This sector encompasses just about every utility. We're talking about companies that provide electrical power to residential and commercial residents or areas. Utilities tend to be regional. So some of those companies are Duke, which is DUK, Con Edison, like we have out here in New York, that's ED, and another one is AEP. Then we have the healthcare sector, which is basically divided up into two components. So you have biotechnology. This is dealing with, finding cures for different illnesses and stuff like that. The whole process that deals with, development and marketing of these different kinds of medicines or drugs or whatever. Then you have the other arm, which is, healthcare equipment and services. Think about the syringes, the gloves, the machines, all of this type of stuff. Two big companies with that, Johnson & Johnson, which is ticker symbol J&J, and United Health, ticker symbol UNH. Then we have one of my favorite industries, financials. Oh, you see how I just did that? A lot of times sectors and industry are used interchangeably. Okay, so let me correct myself. The financial sector. These are companies that handle money. Okay, they handle paper, they handle guap, cash, all of that kind of stuff. You have banks, insurance companies, brokerage houses, consumer finance providers, think loan companies, real estate investment trusts. Okay, some of the companies that deal with that is Berkshire Hathaway. They have a Class A and a Class B stock, so it's BRK-A or BRK-B. And then we have the big dog, one of the most powerful companies in this sector is JP Morgan, ticker symbol JPM. Next, we have consumer discretionary. So this is non-essential consumer goods. This is, you have people that go out and shop on Fifth Avenue. You got Louis Vuitton, stuff like that. That would be considered a consumer discretionary. Okay, these are leisure goods, luxury goods. Some companies that you can look for in that sector are Amazon, ticker symbol AMZN, and McDonald's, ticker symbol MCD. Conversely, on the other hand, okay, not everybody's going to run and go out and buy McDonald's. Some people are going to cook at home. So this will fall under the sector called consumer staples. These are goods and services customers need. Okay, regardless of how much money they make or whatever's going on, they need this. They need food, beverages, household, and personal care products. Some of the companies that deal with that is Coke, KO, and Procter & Gamble, PG. Okay, next we have information technology. This is technological innovation. Okay, software creators, services that implement the technology solutions, building equipment, components, and hardware that make technology possible. Okay, and one of the biggest categories in this is semiconductor. There's a lot of semiconductor companies. One of them is AMD. Okay, so some of the big dogs in the information technology sector are Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, and Microsoft, ticker symbol MSFT. Next, we have communication services. Okay, this is telecommunication services providers, cell phone companies. That's all what we pretty much deal with now with smartphones and cell phones and stuff like that. But you also have some people, some ancient people that deal with, landlines and stuff like that. That's included in this sector. Okay, this also includes media and entertainment companies. Okay, so you got Facebook, Google, which also has two classes of shares, which is Google GOOGL and GOOG. Facebook, of course, is FB. Okay. Lastly, we have real estate. Okay, and this is divided into real estate developers and property managers. People who will manage different buildings, whether it's a commercial building or a residential building. Okay, two companies that deal with that are AMT and also Simon Property Group, SPG. Okay, so it's very important when you are interested in a particular stock or whether you want to trade it or invest it, to try to familiarize yourself with what sector it's in, what industry it's in, so that you can compare with other companies. This is how you'll be able to find those gems that's out there, because you can see, hey, this is the hottest industry, this is the hottest stock, they're performing this way. I was looking at this company and this company is lagging. You understand? Okay. Also be aware that all of these different sectors can be invested or traded in by using a ETF. There's different, and the ETF is an exchange traded fund. So as opposed to going and buying all these little technology companies, you can just buy the technology ETF. Okay, so make sure you do that. It could help you on your path to growing your account and getting this money up. Okay, that's what we do here at the Absolute Boss Collective. We all about empowering the little guy, and you empower yourself with knowledge. Okay, this is your brother in trading and investing, Absolute, saying if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Consider subscribing. Hit that like button. Okay, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I come out with new videos. And most importantly, sign up for that contest, because I'm giving away $500 when this channel reaches 1,000 subscribers. So let's make it happen. Peace.